Oh, there you go. It recorded from the remote. Good. Squirt 8.
Whoa.
That's what it says.
I've been on a fire truck before.
I've been in the seat. It's a long time ago. Right. Tower ladder 2. That's the big boy. That's the big ladder.
Oh my God.
Damn! I'm deaf. Woo! That touched your hand right there. Woo! Woo-hoo! Man.
He jumped.
So why are you here? You don't like
Dirt. It's even worse than the camera.
Yeah.